I know you guys won't trust me on this one, but lemon with salt is actually good. Like, I tried it. It's actually good. Like, low-key, it's good. It's good, guys. I know, it sounds like the weirdest thing. Ew. And also, when I saw someone eating it, and I was like, no way they're eating this. It's actually good. It's not that sour, like. Okay, maybe it is. But it's actually really good. I think it's really good. You guys should just try it and tell me how you think it is. What was that? That's sour.